Hi, it's Nika from Fabulously Creative. How are you? I just wanted to pop in and show you this month's printable kit. I showed it over on Instagram, and I realized I never showed it over here because I was ready to jump into planning. So I wanted to show you before I used everything. So let me just go through each item. And this month I was trying, since it's November, I was trying to go for like a thankful theme. So some of these can work in your planner, but also if you're doing like a thankful or gratitude project, they can also work there. So we have this little stamp that says good vibes. And then we have these doilies. To me, doilies remind me of Thanksgiving and setting the table. And this one, it's available. You can get it with or without the words on it. And we also have another one of these stamps. This one says, start each day with a grateful heart. Let me see, I don't know. I know it has... This one also comes blank, but I think I stuck it in my planner already. And we also have our November calendar. So this is like the large die cut. And if you have a smaller planner, this is how it looks smaller. There's also that grateful heart. I like to print, I don't know, I just like to print things at different sizes. It gives a different feel. See, let me show you these. See, even though it's the same thing, the different sizes work for different projects. And we also have our dolls for this month. And I really love the way these turned out. It kind of has the fall colors. It's kind of transitioning into fall. You're not wearing all black yet. So we have that one. And we also have this one. Actually, this doll, this one is not new, but it's like, it goes with that whole red cup season when you start getting all the Starbucks cups. So I thought this was perfect to add in for this month. And we have to have some fall boots, a sweater. They're printed in 2 different sizes. We also have that coffee cup without the calendar on it, some orange pumps. And I love this little pillow. It's like just a little pillow that says give thanks. And some fall or Thanksgiving themed decor. Let's see, I think I showed that. Oh, and we have some leopard pumps. And as always, you can print it as die cuts like I just showed you, or you can do a sticker sheet. So this is what I printed for to go in my planner. So this is how the sticker sheet already comes set up. You just print that out, and it is available as a PDF, a SVG if you have a silhouette, and a PNG if you have the Cricut. And this is just that same sheet. I just printed it at a smaller size to use in my smaller planners. So now that I have shown you this, I can jump in and get started setting up my planners for November. Oh, and I will leave the link to the digital kit in the description box, along with a coupon code for, I think it's either 10 or 15, I think it's 15% off your first month. But look for the link in the description box and the coupon code, and stay tuned because I am getting ready to set up all my planners for the month.